Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use layers. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Lucidchart layers allows you to organize complex diagrams by separating different elements into individual layers. Now this in turn can help you manage visibility, edit specific parts of a diagram, and of course enhance the collaboration. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the file or document that you wanted to use the layers. If you haven't already, just go to the upper left corner, click the new button, go to Lucidchart, and you can start from a blank document or create from template. In my case, I'm just going to be opening this specific file. Once it's loaded, for you to be able to open the layers panel, I want you to click the view section. You see that there is going to be an option that says layers. All right. Now, seemingly, you can choose from any of the page one. And if you want to add layers, click the new layer here. Now, this is going to be the layer. All right. You can lock and unlock all this. For example, if I wanted to put the text here, I'm going to make the text a different color. For example, white. If I wanted to put the text on the front, you have to click the arrange and send it to forward or bring to font. That would keep the layers here on the top of the other layer. It's very easy. All right. Now, from here, you can organize your content the way you want it. Just click on the objects or shape you want to move to a specific layer. It's very easy. All right. Bring to font, send to back if you want. Similarly here, you have the option to arrange and send item backward. Alternatively, in the layers panel, you can select the layer that you wanted. All right. If you don't want to unlock it, just click on unlock. There is an option here to duplicate the layer if you want. You see that? You're going to be having multiple layers. And of course, you can select the items that will be assigned to the layers. You also have an option to show or hide layers. If you click this, going to hide the layers. And of course, locking the layers. If you do that, what will happen is you can prevent accidental changes. Just click the lock icon next to a layer name in the layers panel. This will lock the layer, making it uneditable until you unlock it. And of course, you can arrange the orders of layers by dragging them up and down the layers panel right here if you want. So these are going to be an option that can help you control the stacking of orders, and it's important for layering visuals. Now, when you are preparing for presentations right here, the presentation builder, click on the show slides. You would notice you can present the document right here. And this will allow you to customize which information is visible to the audience at different stages. Or then again, if you wanted to delete a layer, seemingly here, all you have to do is go to the layer section. If you want to delete a specific layer, go to the view, go to layers. For example, there's unlock it. Click delete option. Similarly, you can do this also here. All right. You can rename this if you want. Say, for example, G-Flaps. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.